Arnold van Gennep is a mostly forgotten figure today, though his influence affects all of us every day. Born in Germany in 1873, van Gennep moved to France when he was 6, was kicked out of school for misbehavior, went through multiple jobs, and ultimately learned 18 languages as a diplomat and the father of French folklore. Perhaps it was this life on the margins that led van Gennep in 1909 to come up with the insight that all of us regularly go through periods of change in our lives, from becoming an adult to having children to losing loved ones. Van Gennep called these moments rites of passage, which his translator said should more accurately be called rites of transition. In effect, Arnold van Gennep invented the idea of a life transition. Van Gennep also did one more thing. He introduced a structure for transitions that quickly became the consensus. The person going through the transition leaves one world, passes through a hinterland, then enters a new world. He likened the process to walking out of one room, proceeding down a hallway, then entering another room. One of the clearest findings of my work, collecting and analyzing hundreds of life stories, is that van Gennep is absolutely correct that we all go through multiple transitions. But an equally clear finding in my work is that van Gennep's insistence that these transitions always follow the same linear structure is profoundly misleading. Just as life is nonlinear, life transitions are nonlinear. But it's precisely this nonlinearity that allows these transitions to be so effective in helping each of us move from being stuck to being unstuck. This week, we'll start by defining a transition and then talk about the steps you can take to increase the chances that your rite of passage will bring you more meaning, purpose, and joy.